Hey, I'm Ty, and you're watching Toddler Raps. Get ready to learn about money.
Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Yo, I got some coins, let me tell you what's cool. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Let me take you to school. Take you to school. Take you to school. First up the penny is copper and small, but it adds up quick when you stack them all. Can you help me count the coins? 1 penny. Next is the nickel, shiny and bright. It's worth 5 cents, that's a cool little bite. Put 2 in a row, now you got a dime and you're ready to go. Can you help me count the coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies equals 1 nickel. Currency, another word for money. Money. Let's talk about currency, another word for money. Now the dime's next, it's super sleek, worth 10 cents. It's little and neat, you need 10 pennies or 2 nickels to match it shine. That's the power of a dime, watch your money climb. Can you help me count the coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies equals 1 dime. And last but not least, the quarter's king. 25 cents, hit a jingle ring. 25 pennies, that's how you see how mighty a quarter can really be. Can you help me count the coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 pennies equals 1 quarter. Currency, another word for money. Money. Let's talk about currency, another word for money. Money. So next time you're counting all your change, remember each coin, they're not so strange. They all add up, big or small, pennies to quarters, collect them all. Currency, another word for money. Money. Let's talk about currency, another word for money. Money. So grab your coins, don't let them go. Every little cent can help your piggy bank grow. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, it's true. Each coin has value to buy something new.